making this yummy chicken potato kebab is ready. This is I'm making decoration because my friends see. Have you see? Please comment down. Yes, you see it's good. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend. If you more recipes of my channel, if you need every time information, please remind, press the bell icon. So keep this one making and put a freezer for office worker ladies and for your husband, for kids. Have you give it to kids? Please, if they don't like these spices, take it out spices, just using the black pepper powder and salt. Keep your freezer 3 to 4 months. If you like, thumbs up. Thanks to watching. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make yummy chicken potato kebab. So before I show you everything, first I'm show you something. I get it with 4 or 5 potato and boil with the water. Now I'm peel off. I just leaving for you guys because the other one I done with that. So first I peel off like this with the hand. Then after I show you guys, I'll peel off with the spoon the skin. Now I'm next about to do it. You can use with the hand like this. Press it down because this is boiled. But I'm not do this because you see this one. I'm doing with the shoulder like this. Like this because I'm making video myself, so yeah, I have to do this. Should I do like that? You guys know this. Do it. If you want to do with the hand, you can do with the hand. I'll do it first, then I show you guys. Potato is done. It look like this. So now next, what I'm adding, as I have leftover chicken. You can see this one. I have leftover chicken. This one is very best idea for you guys if you be making the chicken, and you can see it. You know, 1 minute of just clean and make this kebab and save in your freezer in the 3 to 4 months. Whatever you want to eat, you don't want to making you know, have time, you don't want to like waste of time, so you just get it out and making and eating with the chapati, naan, bread with the green sauce. And green sauce on my YouTube channel already. You can go and check. And I'm adding this is chicken, just some onions, and I have green chili and some coriander. If you don't like spicy, you can just adding is the black pepper powder. I'm adding this 3 thing, and the next ingredient we're using is 2 eggs. 2 eggs, and I'm making this is the breadcrumbs in my home. So I'm adding this one right now. Wait, you can see the fresh one breadcrumbs, so delicious. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can use in the like ground flour, and otherwise you can have like leftover rice, like white rice. You can adding inside and you see yummy taste of this. This is simple ingredient but make your yummy taste and save your time. I'm adding some like 1 teaspoon of salt and some of 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And if you don't like spices, anything else, you just adding salt and the black pepper. This is like, and 1 teaspoon of green chili because I like spices, and 1 teaspoon of like cumin seed and the crushed coriander, 1.5 teaspoon. Just making right now. So this is mixed it together, and I show you guys the next one. The next one is that this one, you can see this one, the kebab I'm making, and I put the freezer, and I have left this one like 3 of them right now. So that's why I'm making again, because I'm making chicken and leftover chicken. I don't want to throw up. Before when I doesn't know I throw up, but right now this chicken make me so I like so much. This is save my time. So now I take it out this one because I'm making right now, and I show you guys how to do it because I'm gonna mix up this and put it in the fridge because I want to go pick up my kids to school. So I don't have time right now, but I'm making this kebab and making, and I show you guys. So I'm gonna mix it up with, if you want to mix it with your hand, mix it up with the mixture, and with the gloves, however you want to do it, mixing, and then you have to make the kebab and to put in the freezer. What time, like breakfast, lunch, dinner, I'm to go office. This is yummy. I want to tell you guys, this makes yummy kebab, yummy sandwich. I want to show you guys how I make a sandwich in the next recipe. I just make it for sandwich recipe from this kebab. So make sure you guys watch this full recipe, and the next one is coming soon too, because the sandwich one, this kebab I'm using inside. So before I'm do anything, I show you guys I make a little bit warm oil, and I just want to show you guys this kebab I'm making fry. Look at this. This is the frozen. This is the same kebab which one I'm making right now. I have this all the time because I really like it. So I'm mixing this one right now. This is the slow medium flame. I'll do it like 5 to 10 minutes, that one, because the one side, then other side, from one side. I don't want to put egg on it because inside already egg. You guys can see putting everything inside. So I'm mixing it like that. Then after I show you guys when I'm done with the mixing. And breadcrumbs, and if you don't want to use the breadcrumbs, you can use the gram flour. If you don't want to use that one, you can use fresh leftover white rice, even for which rice you are making. So you can see this the result and delicious and best recipe. I'm mixing, then I show you guys. I just want to show you guys. This is like this, the same kebab is it. You can see it. This is making like this, and make all the kebab like that and put in the freezer. What time you need, like you are tired, you don't have time to make anything, just take it out, fry, and eat with the if you make biryani, you on the side of biryani, rice, chapati, naan, bread, you can eat, serve with this and sandwich, and it's so yummy it is. So if you like, please subscribe and press the bell icon, share with your family, friends. As when I'm done with this, all of them, because right now I don't have time. So inshallah, next time, next clips coming. You can see this is the one side is done, so it's like that. I close it. Here I make this chicken potato kebab with the mixture, which one I mix it. I tell you guys I'm going to school to pick up the kids. Now I'm doing this making, and I want to show you guys I'm the fry too. Just for you guys, show you to you guys how is good result. I did not put anything else, just inside everything. Look how delicious, yummy. Because I'm making this lentil order, and I'm eating with the white rice, maybe chapati, naan, whatever you like it. So I just want to show you guys. Look, it's delicious. I'm take it out, then I show you guys the final result. So this one I'm done with this. Now I'm putting in the freezer. So what time I feel like I don't want to like making anything, I'm tired, I don't have time, so I just take it out and fry it with the green sauce. With I'm making sandwich, making with the chapati, with the rice, even inside of the biryani. So this is so yummy taste. I'll show you guys next when I'm done with all of them.